Nothing like snow in your face.
treat? You want some? You want it? What? Huh? Smoky's a good boy. Yes, you are. He's a good boy. Huh? Is it good? Huh? Is it good? Is it good? Oh, you want some more? What? What do you want? What? What do you want? No, get down, get down, get down. You want some more? Huh? You want some? Speak, speak. Good boy, yeah. It's time to make a little bit of lunch. So, the two soups that I really like are tomato and chicken noodle. And since I have some crackers today, I decided to go ahead and make some tomato soup. And he's had plenty of dog food. I think that's why he's growing like a weed, because he probably gets too much, don't you? Hmm? You get too many treats, don't you? He's a good boy though, yeah. He likes to play ball. Yeah, and he likes to play with his toy. Yeah, these are different names for the things that I throw for him. The round little tire with the rope in it, that's toy. And then of course, you know, I've got different balls, so he relates all those to the same thing. But anyway, he's been in here taking a nap while I've been out there putting that batten on. I've got, I think, 5 left to do, and I'm actually at the corner, with the exception of the ones underneath that last window. But the window that I had the other day, it didn't match. I bought 4. I bought one for the kitchen, which is a 3.0 or 3x3, and then I bought a 3 of them that were 3 foot by 4 foot, but one of them was odd. I don't know. They were all in the same stack, and it's hard to tell with all the plastic on. So anyway, I'm going to take that one back and trade it in so that they all match. And also one other thing too, you notice that I said that I was going to use the slab wood. Well, I haven't done that yet. I'm going to use that on the corners. But what I decided to do was go ahead and throw up the batten, because it's not that big a deal. All I got to do is back the screws out, so when I get an opportunity to actually peel and burn, because that's going to take a little bit longer than the battens, I'll actually, at each post, wherever there's a batten at, I'm going to pull that off, and we're going to put the slab wood on there. So I think it's really going to look good. Hopefully, what I'm striving for is to look like I built the house between trees. So hopefully it will turn out kind of the way that I'm thinking it might. Are you a good boy? Huh? Where's your ball? Ball? Find it. Where's the ball? Ball? Get the ball. Where is it? Ball? Where's the ball? Did you find it? Okay. Here. You ready? You ready? What a mess. Huh? What a mess. Do you want me to throw it again? Huh? Okay. Ready? We could do this all day long. He's a good boy. Smoky is a good boy. You want me to throw the ball again? Huh? You throw it? Okay. Ready? Hey. Here it is. You ready? Throw it. You want it? Speak. 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 You want it? He's a good boy. Yes, he is. He's a good boy. You want another treat? Huh? For getting the ball? You want another treat? You want it? Speak. Where is it? Where's the treat? Where's the treat? Is it over there? Where's the treat? Oh yeah, it's in the box, isn't it? Okay. Go get it. Okay. Come here. Whoop. It's almost like a piece of chewing gum for him when he gets started on it. Oh yeah, he's a good boy. All right, you want that? Huh? You want it? Find it. Where was it? Oh, you want me to throw it? Are you ready? Oh, good boy. Yeah. Are you a good boy? Yes, he is. He's a good boy. You want to throw the ball? Huh? We go through this routine at home, too. You want me to throw the ball? Huh? Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. He'll touch my hand with it, see? Throw it. Come here. No. Come here. All right. When you let go of it, I'll throw it. Yeah, when you let go of it, I'll throw it. Oh, no, it knocked me down. You're such a beast. You're such a beast. Are you ready? I didn't trick you that time, did I? What? Let me in. Okay, you ready? You ready? Where is it? I got it. It's a standoff. I got it. Oh, tackle! Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, I got it. I got it. Are you ready? Well, while we are finishing our lunch, I just thought I would say, if you're new to this channel, this is the channel, Smoky Mountain Outpost, where we do all the projects and the work and things like that. We also have another channel, Outpost Review, which is more behind the scenes, more talk about what, why, and how we're doing things, and things around the homestead, and tool reviews, you know, when we get those, and things of that nature. So I get a lot of comments on this main channel. If you haven't checked out the review channel, go check it out, because a lot of your comments, I may be answering those on the review channel. That's the platform that I wanted to use to be able to answer questions, because the subscriber base is getting so big, and since we're putting out 3 videos a week on this channel and 2 videos a week on the review channel, all the comments that are coming in, we can't hardly keep up with responding to everybody personally. So the review channel, we decided to go ahead and use that also as a platform to answer questions that people have, comments, and things of that nature, besides the behind the scenes stuff of what we're doing here. So yeah, if you haven't checked that out, go check it out. It's called Outpost Review. It's basically got the same bear symbol. You will find that if you just search it in the search box on YouTube. You can find it that way. I imagine you could Google it and find it that way as well. But we're going to go ahead and finish up our lunch here. Looks like he's chewing on a stick. But as soon as I get my lunch finished, we'll go out there and see if we can't get the rest of those battens on down to the corner of the cabin. Does that stick good?
might not want a impact driver when there's a lot of snow on the roof. Well, I've got all of the battens on now, except right there where that last window is that I need to pick up. As soon as I set that in, put the frame around it, I can finish 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom and 4 on the top. And then when I get a 2x6 and burn it to go around for the door frame, this whole front side will actually be done. I still need to go back and caulk around the windows, the framing, and then where the window meets the frame on the inside. But yeah, it's really looking good. I'm really proud of the way that that's turned out. Now, if you'll notice, when the wood got lighter, I used a darker batten. When the wood got darker, I used a lighter batten. So what it did is it pulled it all together. If you can remember, the center section looked really light. So by using those darker battens, it kind of blended it in to the left and to the right. And once I get that dark one around the window, or I mean around the door frame, it'll all look alike. So I'm really, really pleased with that. It's probably a good thing that I got that finished too, because that impact driver, that snow is getting soft enough, and it's warming up out here where it was falling as I was driving those screws in there. But this is probably all the time I'm going to have for today, guys. I appreciate you stopping by and hanging out with me while I'm working on the front of the cabin here. Got a little bit on the side. So once I get all that done, I'm going to start back over here on this corner with the cladding and the board and batten and work my way back around that way. Hopefully this time I'll have the battens done at the same time. That way I can put a board up, or put 2 boards up and a batten, and just keep going. That way I don't have to come back and do this. But and then hopefully set the windows at the same time. So it'll probably move a little bit slower, but you know, it all works out to being the same thing. Well, guys, that's probably all the time I'm going to have for today, because I do have some company coming this afternoon. I'm going to go ahead and pick up all my tools and shut it down here. My son, my daughter, and I, we really appreciate all your support for, you know, all the viewing and stopping by and hanging out with us up here at the Outpost. And thank you again so much for sharing with all the people that you do. It means a great deal to us. We hope that each and every one of you has a great afternoon. Take care, and we look forward to seeing you back up here at the Outpost again next time.